we see right here what we call fresh coconut. And now I give a little job for my husband to take off the skin of coconut. Let's see how they goes because I need them to cooking today. You can hear him, and he's right there. How it goes, honey?
Oh, pretty good.
Pretty good. I'm standing here to get this thing for make tom yum gung. That we have to use the coconut milk. So the first thing that we have to peel this skin off first. But the way I do here, my family have a secret to make those things happen, and the skin peel off is very easy. I'm gonna give two of my friends over there to peel this off. You see my friend yet? There. He is the one of my best friend that he gonna peel this thing off for me. Let's go. Come on. It's very hard.
It's like 32 degrees out here.
32 degrees. Let's see.
Very warm. I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh. The way he do is he probably put those things in the water first to get the skin is quite soft, quite a bit. And then he gonna start peeling them. Honey, you turn knife in the wrong way. Yeah. Better? I'm going to sit and wait for my coconut to be peel skin. I need coconut to cook tonight. It's gonna be tonight? You don't know? Oh. They still need them back. So I'm gonna play with them for a while. With this. He loves the coconut. I don't know why. This dish we call Tom Kha Gai, or in English, chicken coconut soup. In front of me is all the ingredients that I'm going to make. The first is chicken. Mushroom. Lemongrass. And galaga. You can buy them dry in the package, but this is fresh one. Cafe leaf. Tamarind juice. Chicken stock. And coconut milk. And now I'm going to show you how to make it. The first start, I have to cut the chicken that I already have here. Cut that small piece. Now I get pans on the stove, and the first step, you have to put the coconut in first. So I pour the coconut in, and then let them boil a little bit. So I'll come back to the lemongrass. Before you put them in the pan, you have to break the bottom of the lemongrass first. You can do like, use this part of knife and just bang a little bit until it's in the bottom's break. And then cut slice like this. You can use the whole thing. And then throw them in the pan to make the flavor and smell. So I use 2. And then galaga. So you just, I think half should be enough. So I slice. You can eat them or you can just use them for flavor and smell. It's good herb, very healthy. So put them in. And then cafe leaf. So I'm just break them. And then put them in. Now my coconut is very boiling. So next pass, I'm going to put the chicken. And then let them sit. It's about 2 or 3 minutes until the chicken start cook. So you can add the more flavor in there. After the coconut milk start getting boiled, and then water is a little bit not enough for the chicken. So I'm gonna add more coconut milk in, so you can get more juice. And then let them boil. The next ingredient that I'm going to put in the Tom Kha Gai is tamarind juice. I'll show you how to make the tamarind juice right now. In many different dishes in Thailand, we use the tamarind a lot because they have a very smooth taste. So what you have to do, I use a quarter of tamarind like this much, and then put a half of cup of water, tap water. Put the water in, and this is the fun part. You use the hand that been cleaned before and just squeeze the tamarind with the water and then mix them together. Now you can see the meat of the tamarind coming out and mixed with the water. So now it's a change color. Keep doing that until you can feel that meat is come out a lot and the water get thicker and change color to brown. And you can smell it too. It smells sour, but it's very smooth. So after that, you just separate a meat that. Now I get garlic, lemongrass, and lime leaf. Include the chicken being cooked. So I'm gonna add more taste in the soup now. I'm gonna add tamarind juice on it. So it's about 3 tablespoons. To add more sour, sweet, and chicken stock, 1 tablespoon, and fish sauce, 2 tablespoons. Now you can see the color of the coconut milk change, the color from the tamarind. And the next one, I put the mushroom in. So I put a lot of mushroom because I love mushroom. After you put the mushroom, just let them sit here for 30 seconds. If some people like spicy, you can add chili in your soup after you get those cooked and then put them on top. So I'm gonna show you right now. So I got soup, it's already cooked here, and I'm gonna pour in the bowl that I already taste is delicious. So I'm going to show you to put the chili in here. So I'm just bang them one time in case you don't really want the juice or spice in your soup. So put them on top and then stir it. So the chilies make the color and spicy. And the last finished product, I add a little bit of cilantro that adds a lot of flavor in that. So I put them just a little bit to add just the flavor and smells very nice. And my final product, Tom Kha Gai, in English is coconut chicken soup.